Hello, everybody. Come on in. This is Patty's Southern Kitchen, and I will be making some New Orleans style jambalaya, minus the shrimp. I don't have shrimp, but I'm going to use. These are my vegetables here. I have fresh tomatoes that I have peeled the skin off. I have parsley. Um, Fresh parsley, green onions, yellow onions. I have orange and green bell pepper. And over here, come on over to the stove. I have andouille sausage and I have turkey sausage. And I am kind of cooking it here on top of the stove. I have chicken cut up over here that I have cooked. And right here I have my rice already cooked. And these are the seasonings that I am going to use. I have the Magic Meat seasoning by Chef Paul Prudhomme. And I have the Tony Chachere's no salt seasoning, garlic powder, pepper. I have onion powder, basil, thyme, and I'm going to use a little Old Bay and some paprika. Let me find that for you. I have some ground paprika, and I'm going to use, here it is, the ground paprika, and that is for color. And I have some Old Bay that I'm going to use, or let's see, slap your mama. I have something up here with a little kick to it in my cabinet. Oh, here's the Old Bay. Going to use a little bit of Old Bay. And I'll come back and show you the rest of the process. I've added some seasonings in here, some dry seasonings, as well as some onion, bell pepper, parsley, just a little bit here. And I'm not going to put it all in there. I've left this much out because I need the color when I get to incorporating all of this with my rice. And I've put all of my ground seasonings in here, and all of the juice that I'm going to have in the bottom of the pan, that's all flavor. So I'm going to use that, and I'll come back and show you when I get all of this incorporated. Okay? This is the jambalaya, and I didn't tell you that I used a little bit of bay leaves and a couple of pods of garlic, fresh garlic. And this is what it's looking like. It is simmering right now, and I have juice in the bottom. This is your jambalaya, and I don't think I'm going to mix the rice with it, but I'm going to come back and show you the rice and the jambalaya, because if I have more jambalaya than rice, I'll just save some for another day. But this is what it looks like. This is your jambalaya, and it's going to be good. And I hadn't put any water in it, but from the meats and the vegetables, it has made its own liquid. So I'll be right back from the meats and the, so we'll just turn it off, and I am going to fix a plate like this for Tyler. And I want him to try it. Let's move over here to the cart. Try it, Tyler, and tell us what it tastes like. Look at this plate. Before you eat, look at the plate. Isn't that a beautiful plate? Yes, it is. So Tyler is going to be my taster, and he is going to let us know just what it tastes like. Okay? If it needs a little more salt or anything, Tyler, let us know. Let me take this. How does it taste, Tyler?
It tastes delicious.
Okay, all of this goodness here. This is good. I thank you so much for joining and following us. Please let me know what you think. Make comments, subscribe, like our page. Come on over and subscribe. And tap that notification button so you can be notified each time I upload my videos. This is New Orleans Style Jambalaya. No shrimp. I had a little bit of chicken and I threw that in the pot too. But I have andouille sausage and another sausage in here. And it is delicious. Thank you. This is Patty, Patty's Southern Kitchen. I have incorporated some rice in with some of the jambalaya so you can see it this way. And I'll put a little more rice in it and I will season it to taste. Thank you again. This is Patty. Goodbye.